Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we'll be learning Python's Matplotlib library for data visualization, specifically focusing on the plot function. This tutorial is perfect for class 12 IP students who want to ace their CBSE exams. So let's get started. So today you will be learning what is data visualization and line chart, how to create a line chart. It refers to the graphical or visual representation of data using visual elements like chart, graph, etc. Now we know this is the era of big data, and this big data is very important for the organizations and companies to take decision, right? So data visualization techniques helps us to analyze the data. Now we will see how to create a chart in Python. We can use different libraries to create charts. Here we will be learning the library Matplotlib. Use of PyPlot of Matplotlib library. Matplotlib is a popular plotting library used for creating static, interactive and animated visualizations in Python. So using this library Matplotlib, we can create visualizations in Python. Now in Matplotlib, there is a module, PyPlot. There are many modules. One of the modules is PyPlot. Using PyPlot, we will be creating charts. PyPlot is one of the module in Matplotlib. So which is a library? Matplotlib library. For data visualization, we use Matplotlib library, and which is the module? PyPlot module. PyPlot is a collection of methods within Matplotlib, which allow us to construct two-dimensional plots easily and interactively. Now first we need to install Matplotlib. How to install pandas? In the command prompt, type pip install pandas, right? Likewise here pip install Matplotlib. To install the Matplotlib, type pip install Matplotlib and hit enter key. It will be installed. So charts and graphs are very important tools for data visualization. Python can be used for developing various types of graphs and charts. In Python, we know Matplotlib is a library to create charts, and PyPlot is a module in Matplotlib to create charts. So these are the different types of charts we are going to cover in this chapter. First one is line chart. For line chart, we use plot function. For bar chart, we use bar function. For horizontal bar chart, we use bar-h function, and for histograms, we use his function. These are the different functions. First, we will see line chart. Before that, so if you want to use the functions in the PyPlot, we need to import that module in our program. What is the import command? Import the library name, which is Matplotlib, dot the module name PyPlot, as then we give an alias name like in pandas. So import Matplotlib dot PyPlot as PL. This alias name can be any name. After importing this, we can use the functions of PyPlot in our program. This is a simple line chart. You can see different parts of the line chart. See this horizontal one, this is the x-axis. This vertical one, this is the y-axis. Here you can see marks on x-axis, the values on x-axis, that is called x-ticks. Marks on y-axis, they are called y-ticks. And here you can see a title for the x-axis, that is called x-label. Title for the y-axis, that is called y-label. And this is the title of the chart, a simple line chart. Here you can see different data sets are plotted, right? Two different data sets, one in red color and one in blue color. So if you have different data sets, we can represent it by using legends, the color given to different sets of data. Now these are called markers. These points, these data points are called markers. Data point which we plot on the chart, they are called markers. So these are the different parts of the chart. Next is creating line chart. A line chart is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called markers. See, these are markers. This red color points you can see, they are called markers. So it's a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points called markers, connected by line segments. They are connected by line segments. A marker is any symbol that represents a data value in a line chart. Line charts are used to display trends over time. To display the change in trend over time, we use a line chart. The PyPlot interface offers plot function for creating line chart. Which function of PyPlot is used to create a line chart? Plot function. This type of questions are important for both theory and for course viva. How to create the plot chart? After importing PyPlot module to our program, that is import matplotlib.pyplot as PL, we can use the plot function of PyPlot module, pl.pyplot. After that, we have to pass x-axis and y-axis, the data of x-axis and data of y-axis. Steps to create a line chart. First, we need to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Next, plt.plot. Before that, we have to define x and y. Before this, we need to define x and y, x data and y data. Then we pass x data and y data to our plot function. If we want to change the color of the line, we can use color here. We can just pass the color code or the full name of the color. Then some other arguments are also there, which we learn in the coming slides. Next, plt.xlabel. This function, xlabel function, is used to insert a label for the x-axis. We can give a label for the x-axis by using xlabel. How to pass the value? See, as an argument. It's in the form of a string. Now plt.ylabel, that is the function used to give a label for the y-axis. It belongs to pyplot. Here we have the alias name plt, that's why we are using plt.ylabel. And we pass the string as a ylabel. Next, plt.title. This title function is used to create a title. It is used to insert a title for your chart. That is also passed as a string. Now, show function. This is used to display the plot. After creating the plot, to display it, we need to use this function, show. plt.show. So, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now, plt.plot. See the x values 1, 2, 3. So, at 1, what will be plotted? 10. At 2, 20. At 3, 30 will be plotted. Then pl.show. I will open idle. First, we have to write import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Then, I am giving values for x-axis. X equal 1, 2, 3, 4. Y equal 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, which is the function? We use plot function to plot line chart. plt.plot. Pass the x-axis first, then y-axis. X is the horizontal and y is the vertical one. Now, which function is used to display the chart? plt.show. Show function is used to display the chart. Now, save it. And run the program. Here you can see the line chart. Set 1, 10. Here 2, 20. Here you cannot see the markers, right? For that we have to pass the argument marker. Let's see. So here how to give x label and y label? Here we haven't passed x label and y label, so it is not there in the chart. See, x label, y label, title, nothing is there. So to give x label, which function is used? plt.xlabel. Now, inside the bracket, parenthesis of x label, you can pass a string. I am just passing ABC. So, this name will be inserted for x-axis. Now, for y label, plt.ylabel. This is the function. Here I am giving xyz. So, this xyz will be inserted as the name of the y-axis. Now, how to give the title? plt.title. Here also, you have to pass it as a string. Chart title. Now, when you run the program again, you can see the x label, which is the string I passed ABC. So, that will be here as the x label, here xyz, here chart title. Next, to plot two lines. If you want to plot two lines in our chart, we can use the legend function to differentiate those two charts. In the same figure, if we want to plot two data set, we can use legend function also to differentiate those two. We can give different colors using legend function and a label. See, for example, here in this program I have only one data set, right? Here I am going to give another data set. Let x equal to, I am giving the same value for x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4. We have two x-axis and two axis. Let it be x1 and y1. x1 and y1. Now I am giving another plot function to plot x1 and y1. plt.plot. x1 comma y1. Fine. Here I am not using legend function. So we'll see how it will be displayed. So this is the chart. Here we cannot identify which data set it is, right? It is in different color, but there is no label to represent it. For that we are using legend function. To use legend function, plt dot legend. This is the legend function, plt dot legend. Now in our plot function we have to pass another argument label. For giving the label equal to, I'll give line 1. Here in the next plot function I'll give label equal to line 2. Label equal to line 2. So here you can see line 1 and line 2. The labels you can see here. This is the legend function. By default it will display on the top left side. We can change the location of the legend, that we will discuss in the coming slides. Next, changing line color. See, if you have two different datasets, PyPlot plot the chart in two different colors automatically. But if you want to change the color, we pass color equal to, either we can use color codes or we can give the full color. Okay, for red it is R, for green it is G, for black it is K, for blue it is B, etc. So here after the dataset, that is X, Y, we will give the color code. Here I am going to give color equal to red. Previously what was the color for line 1? We will see what is the color. For line 1 it was blue color, now given color equal to red. Now when I run the program, you can see red color for line 1. Or you can just pass the color code. You don't have to write the color argument. So you can just pass the color code like this. When you run the program, see, you can see the color. Or you can just give the color code. Here if I give R, see, then also line is in red color. So this is how we change the line color. Even if we skip the color information in plot, Python will plot multiple lines in the same plot with different colors, but these colors are decided internally by Python. If you want to explicitly give the color, we can use the color argument or just pass the color after x-axis and y-axis. Next, to change the line style, we can give different line styles here. These are the different line styles, either solid line, or you can write a single hyphen, that means a solid line. Next is double hyphen, that is dashed line. Then next is hyphen and dot, that is dash dot line. Last one is dot or this is dotted line. So these 4 line style you can give for your chart. And the attribute used is line style. Either you can use line style attribute or you can use ls attribute. Here I'll give ls line style equal to dash dot. Now we will see how it will be displayed. See the line style has changed. So in this way we can change the line style. These are the 4 different styles: solid line, dash dot, dotted line. Either you can give just a hyphen or you can write solid there. Here dashed, here dash dot, then last one dotted. ls equal to dotted. Or you can just give a dot, ls equal to dot. Next, to change line width, we can change the width of the line by using this argument line width. See, line width. If you give line width equal to a bigger number, it will be, the thickness will be increased. See here, if I give, either you can use line width or you can use LW. LW equal to 10. Now see the line width. So line width argument is used to increase the width of the line. You can use line width or LW. Next, changing the marker type, size and color. See here we cannot see the marker, right? In our chart there is no marker, it's a single line. So to display the marker, we can use marker. Here these are the different marker types. If you write S, marker equal to S, we can see square marker. For O it is circle. For this arrow, up arrow it is triangular. For D it is diamond. These are some of the markers. See, for star we have this star marker. I am going to give this star marker. Marker equal to star. Here marker equal to star. Now when we run the program, we can see the marker. Marker is the data point. See, at 1 we have 10, at 2 we have 20, at 3 we have 30, at 4 we have 40. Now for the second line, how to give the marker? I want to give diamond shape as a marker. So how to give? See, in the second plot function, marker equal to D. Now you can see the diamond marker here. So this is how we give the marker. Next is marker size. We can change the marker size and marker color also. Which are the arguments used? Marker size, marker, edge color. So all these arguments we use inside the plot function. Which are the different arguments? First one, color, to change the color. Next, for change the line style, we can use ls or line style. To change the line width, we can use lw or line width. Now to change the marker, we can use marker. To change the marker size, marker size. To change the color of the marker, marker edge color. All these arguments we pass inside the plot function. Okay. Now how to give names for x-axis, y-axis and for the chart? We use x label. That is a function of pyplot. So we have to write plt.x label. Then pass the value as a string, as an argument to the x label. Y label also same thing. Title also same. Now next is marker size. To change the marker size, we can use marker size. This is the argument, marker size. Inside plot function, if I write marker size equal set 10 and then run the program. See the marker size, it has increased. Next is marker edge color. If you want to change the marker color, here you can change. Usually, what is the color of the line? That is the marker color, right? The color of the line and marker color are same here. If you want to change the marker color, you can use the argument marker edge color. So I'll give marker edge color. Here, marker edge color equal to, I'll give black. Now you can see it is black color. Now here in the second one, if I give marker edge color equal to red, marker edge color equal to red. See here it is red. Edge color is red. So by using marker edge color, we can change the edge color of the marker. Next here, see P equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, Q equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now in the plot function we passed P, Q, these are the x-axis and y-axis, then K. K is for black color, right? Marker equal to D, diamond shape, marker size 10. Marker edge color is red. Now the edge color of marker, that is red color, and what is the color of the line? That is black color. K is for black color, and for marker the shape is diamond. This is how the chart will be created. Now next here we are passing, see this R plus. What is this? We are passing the color and the marker type together. So see how it will be created. Line style is dotted with dotted line style. The color of the line is red and the type of the marker is plus. This is how it will be created. So we can pass the color code and the marker type together like this. In this case, line color and marker color style combine. So marker takes same color as line. Now next here R plus is passed and here marker H color is also passed. So the marker H color will be blue and the line color and marker color will be red. If you do not specify the line style argument separately along with line color and marker style, see when we pass R plus, what is R plus? R for red color plus for the marker type. The marker type will be plus with red color. Or BO, what is BO? B is for blue color and O is for circle marker. Marker type is circle. When we pass like this, what will happen? Python will plot only the markers and not the line. The line will not be plotted unless we pass line style explicitly. If we pass line style here, then line will be plotted. Otherwise, the line will not be plotted if we pass this together. So dash means graphical or pictorial representation of data using graph, chart, etc. First one, data visualization, right? Data visualization means graphical or pictorial representation of data using charts, graphs, etc. Which of the following is incorrect regarding data visualization? Which one is not correct? Data visualization can be done using Matplotlib library in Python. This is true. Visualizing large and complex data does not produce effective results. Is it true? No, that is not correct. Second one is not correct. Now what about the third one? Data visualization is immensely useful in data analysis. That is correct. Fourth one, decision makers use data visualization to understand business problems easily and build strategies. That is also correct. So which one is not correct? Option B. That is the answer. Which of the following library to be imported for creating chart in Python? Library is Matplotlib. First one. Next, which module of Matplotlib library is required for plotting of graph? The module used is pyplot. Option C. Which of the following command is correct to install Matplotlib? See the first one, pip install matplot. No, it is not matplot, it is Matplotlib. The second one, the spelling of pip is not correct. Third one, pip install Matplotlib. Option C is the correct answer. Next, a figure or a chart contains plotting area, legend, axis, labels. All of the above. All these are there in the chart. Right? So, all of the above. Which of the following is used to design 2D charts, graphs, figures, etc.? Which one is used? Matplotlib.pythonplot, matplotlib.pyplot. This is the correct option, right? Option B, matplotlib.pyplot. The following statements will create line plot of dash color. Which color? pl.plot A, B, then G is passed. G is for green color. Dash function is used to display a chart. Which is a function used to display the chart? Show function. Option B, show. Plot AB is provided with two parameters which indicates the value of first one for x-axis, second one for y-axis. That is for A for x-axis, B for y-axis. X-axis and y-axis respectively. Right. Option A. X-axis and y-axis respectively. See, from this chapter you can expect a 4-mark question. During a practical exam, a student Aman has to fill in the blanks in a Python program that generates a line chart. This line chart represents the sale of a product over 6 months. So it represents what? Sales of a product. So that sales must be there on the y-axis. Right. Over 6 months. So for each month that will be there on the x-axis and the sales will be there on the y-axis. What we want to plot, that must be there on the y-axis. So here what you have to import? Import dash as plt. What? Matplotlib.pyplot. That is the first blank. Matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now here we have months equal Jan, Feb, March, April, May and June. Sales equal this. Now inside the pyplot, which one has to be there first? X-axis. Then y-axis. What should be there on the x-axis? The month. Right. So first months. Then which is the next one? Sales. So here inside the plot function, first it is months, then sales. plt.xlabel, give a name for the x-axis. We can give month as the name for the x-axis. Y-label is used to give a name for the y-axis. We can give sales. Title is used to give a title for the chart. We can give sales of a product over 6 months. A title which is appropriate for our chart. Next, last one is show function, which is used to display the chart. So here it is matplotlib.pyplot. Here months, sales, x-label. Give a name for the x-axis. Here our x-axis is months. The name of the months, you can give months. Here y-label, that is the sales. You can give sales. Then give an appropriate title for the chart. Then show function. Next, write a program to plot a line chart that shows the weekly average temperatures over a city over 4 weeks. The data is as follows. So here weeks are there. What we have to plot, that shows the weekly average temperature. So that average temperature must be there on the y-axis, right? That's what we have to plot here. So temperature is also given 22, 24, 26, 28. Your program should plot a line. I'll open the idle. What is the x-axis? Week. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So week equal week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. This is the week. Now next y-axis, temperature 22, 24, 26, 28. I'm giving temp equal 22, 24, 26, 28. This is the temperature. Now how to plot? plt dot plot, right? First we have to pass x-axis, which is week. Second, y-axis, the values, which is temp. Now label the x-axis as weeks. How to label the x-axis as weeks? We have to use xlabel function. Right, that is plt dot xlabel, then pass week here as an argument in the form of a string. Next, label the y-axis as average temperature. So plt dot y-label is used. Y-label, then average temperature. Add a title to the chart as weekly average temperature. Weekly average temperature. So what is the function used here? Title, plt.title. Next, display the line in red color with circle markers. So where we have to pass that? Inside the plot function, right? See, for color, what is the color? Red color with circle markers. So we can pass R for red color. And what is the marker? Which is the argument used? Marker equal circle. You can pass O. Here it is title. Now finally, plt.show function to show the chart. Save and run the program. See, now we got the chart. Red color line, marker in the form of a circle. Week 1 it is 22, week 2 24, week 3 26, week 4 28. Here average temperature, y-label, x-label week. Specify plot size and grid. To set up size of the plot, we can change the size of the plot by using figure function of pyplot. Figure function. Then we can pass fixed size equal to. Fixed size is an argument to figure function equal to the width and length. We'll try this in this chart. So which function is used to change the figure size? plt.figure. And which is the argument used? Fixed size. Fig size equal to. Now give the values as a tuple. What is that? Width and height. I'll give 10 and 15. Now we will see the size of the chart. See the size of the chart. It got changed. So to change the figure size, we can use the figure function and pass the argument fixed size equal to, then give the width and length as a tuple. See, 5 units wide on x coordinates. First is for x coordinates and second one is for y coordinates. That is the width and length. Now to show the grid on the plot. Now grid lines are not there. See, to show the grid lines we can use plt.grid, pass the boolean value true. We'll use it plt.grid, plt.grid, then pass true. By default it is false, that's why it is not shown there. Now when we run the program, so you can see the grid lines. So that's it. Now I hope you know how to write the program to create a line chart. Make sure you practice it. Thanks for watching. Bye.